didn't go to work this morning because I was actually feeling sick, and I'm still really not feeling it, but I'm forcing myself to go to work because we only have like 2 days this week. Only got 2 days this week, so I'm just gonna go ahead and suck it up and keep it pushing, you know. But yeah, like I said, I'm really not feeling it, but I'm gonna go ahead and you know, get this one on out the way. I decided to put this hair on, this unit on. I haven't worn this hair in a long time. This is that Allie Annabelle, I think that's the name of it, hair, and this is the kinky curly hair, and I colored it with I don't know, I've been having this hair for over about 2 years now, and like I said, I hardly ever wear it because I really don't like the closure. The closure is very cheap. You can tell it's not the same quality as the actual bundles. So yeah, and this was actually my first closure, so I didn't know what to expect. Yeah, but yeah, that's the kind of hair this is, and this is just virgin hair. This isn't raw. It's just virgin hair. It's cute, but one thing I do know, this hair gonna be big as hell by the end of the day. That's what this hair is. It's like a burgundy color on the end. I think it's High Technique colors, I think. But like I said, I have a video on it, on this wig that I did, like I said, a long time ago. I'm finna get me something to eat. I'm kind of nervous to get something, but I think I'm going to, oh shit, I'm finna pass it up. I think I'm finna get some Subway, and I don't even eat Subway, but that's the only light meal I could think of. So I'm gonna just go in here and just get a little turkey sandwich on white bread. I'm not finna do nothing all crazy. I'm just gonna get a turkey on white with I guess I'll park right here. Turkey on white with spinach and black olives. That's all I really ever get, with a little mayo. But yeah, I decided to wear this hair. Like I said, it's not real big right now. It's kind of big, but not real big. I actually really like this hair, but like I said, the closure, I don't like the closure. The closure looks more frizzy. You know, when it dry, it looks more frizzy. So yeah, I don't really like that. And then this lipstick I got is a MAC lipstick from the Rihanna collection. This was from Rihanna's Riri collection. If y'all could see that. This collection was amazing. And that's the color. That's the color of the lipstick. What's the name of it? Talk That Talk, I think. Yeah, the color, the name of the color is Talk That Talk. You probably, more than likely, you won't be able to find this because this collection was huge, and sold out super fast. Like I said, this was a couple of years ago, so I already know. Don't even try to look for it. Now you might be able to find it, but it's so old and it don't make no sense to look for it. Okay, I got these little gift cards I'm gonna use that I got from Christmas last year, because remember, like I said, I don't really eat Subway, but I'm gonna eat it today because I feel like it's probably like the lightest thing that I could eat. So I'm ready to go in here. Okay, got the sandwich, which I really don't eat, don't like, but whatever. Now it's time to head on to work. It's actually really warm today, y'all, but I ain't finna get caught up in that. It's actually hot today. The temperature is like 60 some degrees, like almost 65 degrees. Let's see the exact temperature. Actually 66. This that weather, this that pneumonia weather, and I'm not gonna do it. I can't do it. This hair is getting bigger and bigger. I look like that one rocker dude, forgot his name. Sledge, is it Sledge? I forgot what his name is, but that's who I kind of look like with all this hair. Yeah. I was gonna tell y'all something else. Oh, my case finally came from Amazon. Finally, I actually like it. Only thing I don't like is the fact that, like with my, I'm not used to this particular phone because my other phone, as you see, it's just, you know, because of the top part and the bottom part is more protected, the screen is more protected. With this one, because of the whole front is a screen, it kind of makes me a little nervous. If I drop it, 9 times out of 10, that screen is going to be broke. Hopefully I don't drop it. Fingers most definitely crossed on that one, because it's expensive to get these screens fixed. Then, like I said, I just got I got a foot-long turkey sandwich with black olives. Yeah, with black olives, spinach, and a little mayo. Yep, that's what I got. Okay. Plain Jane sandwich. Okay, now it's time to head to work. I want to take this jacket off so bad. Okay, y'all, I'm back real quick. Y'all see how big my hair getting? I told y'all, the drier this hair gets, or the more movement that this hair it. Yeah, my hair getting super bad. I took my jacket off. Lord, please don't allow me to be sick. I don't want to be sick. What I'm going through right now is more than enough. I don't need the flu. I don't need no cold. I don't need nothing. But, like I said, look how big my hair is getting. It's still cute. Don't get me wrong. It's cute as hell. Let me put this down so I can see myself without turning. Yeah, it's cute. Don't get me wrong. Your girl is looking like, what? What you say? But yeah, like I said, my hair is getting big. It's still cute. I still absolutely love this hair. But I think when you rock hair this big, you most definitely have to have confidence when you wear this hair, because yes, everybody's gonna be looking at you. I'll show y'all what it is, what it look like. It's flat as hell. And I don't want to move it too much, because the more and more you manipulate it, the bigger it becomes. But I don't like this closure. As y'all see, the closure isn't real good. It's the old lace. It's a very cheap lace. It's not like the HD lace or the transparent lace or what they use, what Yummy use. It's not even that. Yeah, it's I don't like the closure. But I'm rocking ahead with this hair anyway. So yeah, that's all I really want to come back in and show y'all the hair real quick. Like I said, I do have a video on this hair already that I think I did like 2 years ago, maybe. I don't know. I can't remember how long it's been, but it's been extremely long. And I actually want to go back in it and curl the ends of it, because as y'all see, it's like a burgundy color, like a washed out burgundy color. So yeah, and it's like that from here on down. I was actually trying to get this hair to look like that penny wig, I think it's Outrage or Sensational penny wig. I think it's like a little cheap synthetic wig that I really like. It's the same, well, kind of close to this color, and it's super cute. But I actually got a video on that wig as well. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought this hair, because I wanted a virgin hair like that hair. So that's why I did this. Then, like I told y'all earlier, I got my Amazon package. I got the phone case, as y'all seen. It's actually a nice phone case, and it comes with the little kickstand thing on the back. This don't come with it. This little thing right here, I just put that on. But I got this little kickstand so I could sit my phone up. Yeah, it's not a bad case. Okay, this is the other item that I bought. I ended up buying this purse organizer. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I really did. What I do like about it is it has 6 pockets on this side and a zipper back here. And then it has a lot of compartments on the inside. I think it's like 6 compartments on, it's the same. It's 3 on the front, 3 on the inside, zipper on this back part, and a zipper on in here as well. Wait a minute, am I lying? I'm lying. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm lying. It's actually 6 little compartments on the inside. Let me show y'all. And I actually just hooked my wallet up to the little thing that's attached to the bag. So I already know that's gonna. But as you see, y'all probably can't even make that out. But it's 3 in the back, and then it's 3 on the other side as well. And then the whole top part zips up, which is pretty good. But like I said, I bought this from Amazon and it was like $11 or $12, but I thought it was going to be bigger. I thought it was going to be big enough to go inside of my my small Longchamp bag, but clearly this is too small. This works good with the backpack. And I got some stuff in here. It works really good with this Longchamp backpack. As you know, it's just a big old hole with a pocket in the front, leather flap. And I still haven't came out with the video yet. The video is recorded. I don't know yet. So it's really a little too long, but it don't matter because it fits pretty good. So as you see what it looks like on the inside, it actually fits pretty good. Like I said, I thought this thing was going to be bigger. I actually wasn't buying it for this purse, but because it's so small and it fits inside of that backpack, I just decided to just go ahead and use it for the backpack instead of returning it. But I need to find a purse organizer for that Longchamp. Yeah. I'm feeling a whole lot better. I'm drinking 7-Up. I'm drinking 7-Up. And Y'all know this is my favorite soda. Damon bought like 2 cases of 7-Up soda, and oh my God, I've been drinking them and drinking them and drinking them. I don't even normally drink sodas. I'm more of a juice drinker. Leave that down at the bottom. What's y'all favorite drink? Y'all a 7-Up fan, or Pepsi, or Sprite? Or y'all riding with me, a juice person? I guess I'll try to come back, but if I don't come back, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up and leave me some comments at the bottom. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. And what's up to the people who've been rocking with me from day one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, don't forget to watch my entire video. My entire video. It really helps my channel, as well as don't forget, even though I know I said this a second ago, also don't forget to leave me a comment. It really helps me. It really helped my channel. Yeah, y'all be safe out here, because it's a lot of crazy folks out here, for real. Also, if y'all got, leave that at the bottom if y'all got Apple TV Plus, the new streaming network from Apple. Oh my goodness. That new series See, S-E-E, amazing show. And that Good Morning, that's pretty good as well. Good show. If you watching those 2 shows, leave that at the bottom. What you think about them. I cannot wait for episode 7 on See. I really want to see what happened. Is that guy gonna kill her sister, the queen? I don't know. But really good shows. Apple is really putting out some really good series or programs, or whatever you want to call them. I guess I will see y'all in a little bit, or I'll see y'all tomorrow.